Right, guys, we just got to Buck Hall Recreation Area, about 30 miles north of Charleston, South Carolina, on Highway 17. Just getting set up. We'll take a little walk around, just show you what's going on here. It's really nice, looks well kept. Here we go. We're just doing one night, Sunday night through Monday. Got some really nice shade. Look at this. The moss in the trees, beautiful. Right above our bedroom. They just have water and 50 and 30 amp power. No sewer hookup, but they do have a dump station. And, look, if you've never tried one, that this water softener, buy it on the go. It is, it's really awesome. Damn, it's hot and sunny. I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting up here. Put out some chairs and we'll take a little walk around. In case you're wondering, look, there's just a lot of crap in here. It's just part of full timing. The Intracoastal Waterway is right over there. There's that, you got some people tent camping, and then just on the other side of them is the waterway. Got a table that Missy bought. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Another quality product from Amazon. Oh my God. Don't let me get a knife. That would be too easy. Cut my hands off. This requires a, it's pretty easy. Just some leg extensions. Insert these extensions in here. It's very complicated. And here we go. These are the cheap microphones that I'm trying out, but I didn't want to do the DJI and not really know much about this stuff, so I'm just trying this out. Comica.
That's probably the prettiest our Airstream has looked.
Oh, I know.
In a setting.
The dump station is over that way. This is what an Airstream looks like when you live in it. Check this out.
Hey, you know what's funny too? Your truck, can't you lock and unlock with your app on your phone?
What are you getting?
A beer. Oh, I'll get Juicy Bits. I wonder what this tastes like.
I need a swig.
Here, take out that. There's too much foam at the top. Is it good? Or okay?
It's okay. Good gracious.
Oh, it's bitter.
Sorry. Well, Missy's way back there, so I've got things to film, so I'm just going to leave her. Sorry for the wind noise. I know there's a lot of it. That's what happens when you don't get the DJI microphones. We've got a nice boat ramp here, so Just going to show you this. Look at this rig, guys. I don't really know what it is other than big. Oh, gosh. Restrooms. I don't know if these have showers, but we're going to find out. Oops, can't go in that one. I mean, they're showing their age, but it's kept clean. Everything is one way, so if you're past it, you are going to have to come back around the circle and come here. But there's the dumpster down there, and here's the dump station. Clean water. What's for dinner? You're over there videoing too. It's called Lemon Wing City over here.